Hey guys, how to reset maintenance due soon B12 button. So what is B12? Well, we'll find out sooner or later. So you're gonna hit that home screen button. Once you hit that, you're gonna go to your right hand, right in the middle, settings. Click that. It'll bring you up to this page. On your bottom right hand corner, vehicle. Hit that, and it'll bring you up to this page. It will be on the bottom, so you have to scroll down. The maintenance info, scroll down, click that maintenance info, and it'll bring you up to this page. So you ask me what is B12. B is for oil and filter, 1 is tire rotation, and number 2 is air filters. So select reset item. So B, oil and filter, 1 is tire rotation, 2 air filters, 3 is transmission oil, number 4 is spark plug. Scroll down, you'll see the number 5 is engine coolant, 7 is brake fluid. So the code that you're worrying about is B12. Okay, oil filter, tire rotation. So what you're gonna do, all do items, hit that, and then click reset. And then maintenance information has been reset. And then move along, it's gone. Let's go.